What happens when communication breaks down in a crucial project? The impact can be devastating. Yaqub and his team found themselves trapped in a cycle of inefficiency, struggling to keep projects on track. Time slipped away as they manually checked on project status and clarified next steps continuously. Each wasted moment pushed them further from focusing on what truly mattered: project details and execution quality. In search of better solutions, Yaqub explored tools like Trello and Wunderlist, hoping for relief. However, these tools lacked the flexibility and granularity his team desperately needed to succeed. Challenges escalated as necessary information remained hidden, leaving the team more frustrated than before. They needed a solution that provided clear task assignments and glanceable task information at a glance. The goal was to create easily accessible workflows for all relevant departments to streamline collaboration. Breaking the chains of inefficiency is possible, and the right tools can unlock your team's full potential.